This video is about how to pin and replace a pinned comment. So let's get into the process. You tap on the comment icon just as you're seeing I've done it. So this is gonna take some time. Let's give it some time. Network issues, I'm sorry for that. So we're gonna know how to replace a pinned comment. Not everybody knows how to do it. In case the pinned comment is far away and you have a lot of comments, you can just pin and replace. So you tap and hold on that particular comment that you wanna pin and replace the pinned comment. So you tap and hold on it. Yeah, so do it, tap and hold. So you tap pin comment, so eventually pin and replace, tap on that and automatically the comment will be replaced. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, yeah, cause I know I'm really doing a great job and you really like it. Just make me something awesome like subscribing.